Introduction to Business Analysis. Introduction to the module. This module will give you an understanding of the fundamentals of business analysis. You will learn about its definition, context, core concepts, knowledge areas, term, as well as its importance as a business practice. Topics to be covered in this module: business analysis definition, business analysis context, core concepts of business analysis, importance of business analysis, knowledge areas of business analysis, key terms in business analysis. Business analysis definition. In essence, business analysis refers to a set of practices that people utilize to analyze an organization, business unit, or business process. It is helpful for understanding businesses, taking advantage of opportunities, and solving business problems. Therefore, business analysis is a broad term that encompasses a wide range of people, processes, concepts, and technologies. Remember, business analysis is all about enabling change in an enterprise by defining needs and solutions to deliver value to stakeholders. Business analysis context. It is helpful to understand the context that business analysts work in and what they are expected to do with their employees or clients. Who are business analysts? A business analyst is an individual who provides the professional service of business analysis and often project management, too. They work to analyze the current state of a business or market, business intelligence, to determine the optimum strategy for change in that enterprise. It is, then, a broad role with many different responsibilities and uses that deliver value to companies. Business intelligence. Business analysts work toward providing business intelligence. This refers to analytics, data mining, modeling, and visualization that helps an organization to make more intelligent, evidence-driven decisions. Scope of business analysis. Business analysis can cover minor change implementation through small projects to changes to large systems and company strategy. It includes liaising between the business and IT systems. Helps in creating models and blueprints to identify areas for change and implementing changes. Business analysts do not typically participate in the actual operation change. Agile projects. These are projects that revolve around constant changes and small iterations, allowing for speed and flexibility. Core concepts of business analysis. According to the Business Analysis Core Concept Model, BACCM, there are 6 core concepts in business analysis. Needs, changes, solutions, contexts, value, stakeholders. Let's look at each of these in more detail. Needs. A need is a problem or opportunity that requires or motivates action to make improvements. Examples of needs include incorrect data or key performance indicators, KPIs, not being met. A problem with high risk creates a greater need or urgency for a solution. Changes. A change is a transformation brought about by deliberate, controlled activities that improve performance by responding to a need. Solutions. Solutions either satisfy a need, resolve a problem, or allow businesses to exploit opportunities. The solution should fulfill the need and be monitoring using KPIs. Solutions can take many forms. Contexts. Context refers to the circumstances surrounding and impacting a need, change, or solution. It includes everything relevant in the environment such as business culture, demographics, the maturity of processes, infrastructure. Value. Value is something that stakeholders deem to be worthwhile, useful, or important. Value can be tangible or intangible. It can also be relative or absolute. Stakeholders. Stakeholders refer to anyone with a vested interest in a business or project. Stakeholders can influence all of the other core concepts of business analysis. For example, each stakeholder can view solutions differently and have something to contribute to potential solutions. Importance of business analysis. It is essential to know how business analysis can add value to an organization. The following is a non-exhaustive list of the ways business analysis is useful. Most importantly, it improves knowledge and helps people to understand a particular organization's goals, problems, and strategy. Improves project management by helping with defining projects and their scope. It allows us to evaluate whether a project properly aligns with the goals or strategy of the business. Benefits stakeholder management by helping to achieve early buy-ins and improving expectation setting or management. Developing effective cost and time estimates while minimizing costs and schedule overruns. It helps to prepare organizations and stakeholders to change quickly. Clear communication analysis allows us to understand key messages and complex issues. Knowledge areas of business analysis. To be a competent business analyst, you need to develop expertise in key areas associated with business analysis. These interrelated areas are planning and monitoring, creating a plan of action and conducting initial stakeholder and requirements analysis. Strategy analysis produces the company's requirements, objectives and describes their plan for the future. It helps to evaluate the current state of play and to manage stakeholder collaboration. Requirements life cycle management. Understanding how the business and project life cycle is going to be managed to deliver the intended product or design. Requirements analysis and design definition. Outlining all relevant information, tracing, maintaining, prioritizing, and approving requirements to ensure that requirements align with the business need and potential solutions. Solution evaluation. Assessing enterprise limitations, solution actions, and expected value. Elicitation and collaboration. Stakeholder engagement to obtain information that allows companies to prepare and conduct elicitation activities and document analysis. Key terms in business analysis. Business analysis uses specific terminology that you need to become familiar with to communicate concepts effectively. The following is a list of the basic terms you need to be familiar with. Requirement. A requirement is essentially a usable representation of a need. Requirements need to provide something of value to stakeholders. A design. This refers to how a solution allows for the realization of value. Designs can take various forms, such as prototypes or a process model. Plan. A plan is a proposal that describes the required tasks, sequencing, and requirements needed to deliver a project or strategy. Risk. Risk relates to assessing the effects of uncertainty. Risk management is about assessing and preparing to minimize risk on a change process, solution, or enterprise. An enterprise. This is comprised of departments or business units which include a set of processes and rules to meet shared goals. Put differently, It represents a system of organizations and solutions with shared boundaries and objectives defined in accordance with a change. Summary. In this module, you have learned: business analysis refers to a set of practices that people utilize to analyze an organization, business unit, or business process. It is helpful for understanding businesses, taking advantage of opportunities, and solving business problems. Business analysis is all about enabling positive change to deliver value to stakeholders. According to the Business Analysis Core Concept Model, BACCM, the 6 core concepts of business analysis are needs, changes, solutions, contexts, value, and stakeholders. The key knowledge areas of business analysis are planning and monitoring, elicitation and collaboration, requirements life cycle management, strategy analysis, requirements analysis and design definition, and finally, solution evaluation. To be an effective business analyst, get to know the following terms: requirement, a design, plan, risk, and an enterprise.